Good afternoon, dear students, and wish you a very happy and healthy new year. Welcome to this virtual class, Sundargarh. I'm Jyoti Prabha Nahak, Assistant Teacher of Government High School, Tampakala. So, my dear children, as you know, today we are going to deal the chapter, your non-detailed text, the village Joss, right? And as you have already read the chapter, your teachers have already taught to you the chapters, the non-detailed text. So in this class, we are not going to deal the chapter line by line. Rather, we will discuss some MCQs which are very important for your examination. So we will only discuss some MCQs from part 1 and 2. Then thereafter, in next class, we will discuss part 3 and part 4. So without any further delay, let's start our topic, okay? So dear children, as you see, our topic is the village Joss, and who is the writer? Yes, the writer is Munshi Premchand. The writer is Munshi Premchand. Sometimes you will find questions like who is the writer, who wrote the chapter. So you have to remember the chapter writer. Who is the writer here? Munshi Premchand. Don't get confused with the Village Song. The Village Song is a poem which is written by Sarojini Naidu, and this is the non-detailed text, the village Joss. Okay, the village Joss, and it is written by Munshi Premchand. Okay, so as I have already told you that today we will discuss some MCQs which are very important from your upcoming SA2 examination, and you will definitely find 5 MCQs, 5 marks questions in your SA2 objective part. So you can imagine how important the chapter is, and also this is a very interesting chapter, right? Okay, so we will start our MCQs, but before that we will know the summary of part 1 and 2. जेहेतु तमे छुट्टी रे रही जाइथिलो हुए त किछि भूली जाइथिबो, so to recall what is the theme, what is the story, we will first of all know the summary of part 1 and 2, then we will discuss our MCQs. Okay, let's see what is the summary of part 1. So Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were intimate friends. Juman had an old aunt who had a small piece of property. Juman had an old aunt who had a small piece of property. She was treated with utmost care by Juman and his wife Kariman as long as the property was with her. So we can see the picture that Juman and Algu Chaudhary were very intimate friends or good friends. Juman and Algu Chaudhary both bhala intimate old friend thile, and who had a old aunt? You can see the image. Juman Sheikh had a old aunt, and the aunt possessed, or the aunt had a small piece of property. Vruddha aunty kar gote small piece of gote land thila, property thila, and she means the aunt treated very carefully or very utmost care by Juman and his wife Kariman. You can see Juman and Kariman, they give proper respect, kindness towards the aunt when the aunt possesses the property. जते बेले पर्यंत आंटी को पाखरे the property तक थिला से पर्यंत Juman और the wife, who was his wife, Kariman. Yes. Kariman तांको बहुत भल सम्मान दोथिले, तांको जत्न भी नौथिले, but when she transferred the property to Juman after being persuaded by him, she was treated very rudely and harshly. But after some time, the old aunt transferred the property to Juman. किछि दिन पर Juman को से कौन करंती property तक Juman रो नारे करि जानती. But after that जते बेले से Juman को property transfer करि दियंती, तापरे कोन हुए, she was treated very harshly and rudely. तापरे Juman और Kariman रो behavior परिवर्तन हो जाए. They treated the old lady, the old aunt, rudely and harshly. तापरे समाने निर्दय एवं निष्ठुर हे जानती. And It was tolerated by the old lady for some time. Then she threatened to call a panchayat as Juman refused to give her money for her living. तापरे aunt कौन करंती? She requested Juman to give her some monthly allowances or monthly expenses. मासको मास तो Juman को कहती जे मते तू किछि मासको मास किछि पैसा दे दे जाद्वारा कि मु मोर निजे रांधिबी खाइबी मु तम मान को सहित रहिबी नाही. बट जुमन रेफ्यूज टू गिव हर मनी किंतु जुमन राजी पे नहीं मना कर दिया. कौन कहे मनी डजंट ग्रो ऑन ट्रीज हियर गछरे पैसा फळू नहीं जे मु तुमको मास सब मास रे पैसा दे देबी. एंड दीज वर्ड्स गिव एंग्रीनेस टू द आंट. आज के आंट रागी जानती आंटी रागी जानती आ कौन करंती ही थ्रेटेन टू कॉल अ पंचायत से जुमान को कहंती मु पंचायत डाकिबी आउ से कहते जुमान को मु पंचायत डाकिबी. तापरे कौन हुए लेट्स सी. Although the lady ran from village to village with the stick in her hand to support her, no one paid any heed to her problem. Then the old aunt ran from village to village. गाँ गाँ से बुली की निज सपोर्ट पाई हेल्प पाई से गाँ गाँ बुलंती समस्त को कहती. But unfortunately no one heed. No one paid any heed, any importance to her problem. कहीं सही वृद्ध महिला का वृद्ध आंटी को असुविधा को कहीं बुझंती नहीं कहीं तांको दया देखांती नहीं. So then she went to Olgu and told him to attend her panchayat for a short while. Then she went to Olgu. Who was Olgu? Yes, Olgu was the best friend or the intimate friend of Juman Seth. Juman Seth रो सबुठु भला सांग सबुठु बेस्ट फ्रेंड पाखकु से जानती. हु वाज ही वाज अलगू. अलगू पाखकु से जानती. तापरे कौन हुए अलगू टोल्ड दैट ही कुड कम बट वुडंट ओपन हिज माउथ एज जुमन वाज हिज ओल्ड फ्रेंड. अलगू कहे ठीक अछि मु पंचायत आसीबी बट आई कुडंट ओपन माय माउथ. मु पार्टी खोलिबी नै सेठी मु किछि भी कहिबी नाही. व्हाई? बिकॉज जुमन वाज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. जुमन वाज माय ओल्ड फ्रेंड. So I couldn't open my mouth there. जदि मु पंचायत आसीबी तुमे कहूछ आंटी मु आसीबी but I wouldn't open my mouth there. मु सेठी किछि भी कहिबी नाही. Then the aunt said, what the aunt said? Sean, will you hesitate to share the honest thing because you fear of her? Then the aunt said to Olgu that Sean. Here she said, Sean, will you hesitate to say the honest thing? जोटा सत कथा ताकू कहबा पई तमे कुंठावत करूछ कोन पई? because you fear of her. तमे गोटे साधारण झगड़ा को डरी कि जो जिनसटा सत ताकू कहबा पई तमे कुंठावत करूछ के पचारले. Olgu had no reply to the questions of the old lady. आंटी कर एई क्वेश्चन रो उत्तर अलगू पाखरे नथिला. से कोनोसी उत्तर दे परला नाही कारण से ना सत आड़े हे परथुला ना निज सांग आड़े हे परथुला. So he couldn't give any answer at that moment. But her words continued to echo his heart. Although he couldn't answer auntie what to do, but the words of the old lady continued to echo in his heart. बारंबार प्रतिध्वनित सेही समान क्वेश्चन ताको बारंबार सुना जाउथला जे मु ऑनेस्ट थिंग जोटा ऑनेस्ट सत अरे जीवी सत कहबी ना मु जुमन तरफ रे हेबी. So this was the first part of the story. जो थे हमें 4 character देखिले. What are the characters? Yes, the main character is Juman Seth, Olgu Chaudhary, his intimate friend, his wife Karima, and his old aunt. Okay, so there are 4 characters. It is a first part summary. Then we will see what is in the second part of the story. Okay, so देखिबा जे second part रे पंचायत बसुची कि नहीं. जेहेतु तुम पढ़ी सारी ऑलरेडी जानी जे सेकंड पार्ट रे फर्स्ट पंचायत बसे. राइट. ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी. द पंचायत मेट अंडर अ ट्री one evening and Olgu was chosen by aunt as the chief judge. That brought extreme happiness to Juman. Okay, as he thought the judgment would be in his favor, and Olgu was his best friend. As Olgu was his best friend, so one evening, you can see, one evening the panchayat met under a tree. Dine sandhya samayare panchayat basichi, and there Olgu was chosen by the aunt as the chief judge. सेठी आंटी कौन करंती ना अलगू को chief judge रूपरे choose करंती, and जते बेले chief judge रो ना अलगू सुनिथिबो, जो अलगू रो ना chief judge रूपरे बछा हेतिबो, से समय रे जुमन निश्चित रूपे खुशी हो जाइथिबो, हां कि नहीं कोन पे, because he thought that now I will own the case. निश्चित रूपे मु वर्तमान केस से जीतिबी, as Algu was my best friend and he would not give any judgment against me. मो विरुद्ध रे जेहेतु से मो सबुठु भलो सांग, बहुत भलो सांग, तेनु से मो विरुद्ध रे कोनोसी प्रकार आदेश दब नाही, आउ मु केस को निश्चित रूपे जीतिबी भाबी. He was very happy, extremely happy. Okay. The aunt said at that moment, the aunt said that nobody can sell his conscience for friendship. से समय आंटी कहती जे कहीं भी कहारी मानविकता को, कॉन्साइंस को फ्रेंडशिप पे बिक्री करे नहीं. एंड गॉड लिव्स इन द हार्ट ऑफ द पंच, whatever the पंच said is spoken by God himself. So no one will send or no one would sell his conscience for friendship. कहीं भी कहारी मानविकता को, कहारी कोनोसी फ्रेंडशिप पाई, बंधुत्व पाई एबे बिक्री करंती नाही. एंड whoever the judge जीए हबो पंचरे, जज जीए हबो, पंच जीए हबो, he the words of the पंच is the words of the God. पंच जहा कहंती ताहा भगवान का द्वारा कहा जाय थाए. तेनु एई पंचायत रे केही कहारी बंधु नहंती कि केही कहारी सांग नहंती. ओके. Algu said at that moment all aunt and Juman were equal to him. And at that moment Algu said that yes, Juman, you are my friend, and aunt, you know I am the friend of Juman, but at this moment as I am the chief judge, at this moment you both have Juman and aunt, you both are equal to me. He wanted both to state the case. आपरे से निजो निजर कौन असुविधा अछि, कौन पे पंचायत डका हैछि, से दुई जन को कहबा पे कहिले. एंड Algu started asking questions to Juman which was difficult for him to answer. तापरे Algu different types of question पचार छथि काको Juman से को, and the questions was really very difficult and which Juman found hard to answer, जहार उत्तर Juman देई परिला नहीं. And then Algu gave the order that Juman should give a monthly allowances to his aunt. Then as a chief judge, here Algu gave his order. कौन order दला? That Juman have to give monthly allowances to his aunt. Juman कौन करिवो ना आंटी को, ता वृद्ध आंटी को से कौन करिवो निश्चित रूपे monthly allowances दबो, मासिक खर्च दबो, जहाद्वारा कि आंटी निजे निजे रांधिकी रही पारिबे, चली पारिबे. And if he did not agree to pay the monthly expenses, then the property should be returned back to aunt. अब जदि से देवा पे राजी न हुए, न दिए, then the property which was transferred to Juman by the aunt, that was returned back. सेही property पुणी आउथरे आंटी को return कर दिया जिवो. So dear children, this is the second part. फर्स्ट पार्ट और सेकेंड पार्ट आम समरी देखिले, जानिले, जेहेतु तुम ऑलरेडी आगु पढ़ी सारी, तो आई थिंक समरी जानिबा परे तुम मानकर जहाँ तुम भूली जाइथिबो, रिकॉल हो जाइथिबो. एंड नाउ वी विल डिस्कस सम एमसीक्यूज. As you know, MCQs are very important from your examination point of view, and you will definitely find such types of questions. And as I have already told you that you will definitely get 5 marks from this chapter only. एई चैप्टर रो तमे निश्चित रूपे 5 मार्क रो क्वेश्चंस पाइबो. So this is a very important topic. So let's start our MCQs. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. So what is the first question? Let's read the first instruction. What is the instruction? Each question has 4 answer choices. Choose the correct one. प्रति क्वेश्चन में 4टा ऑप्शन अछि, जेंति कि तुम जानि छो एसे1 ऑलरेडी तुम अपियर करि सारि छो. So in each question you will find 4 choices and from that choices you have to choose the most appropriate correct answer, right? Okay. So what is the question number 1? Who were great friends in the story The Villagers? Who were best friend in the story The Villagers? Who can answer? सुना जाओ नहीं, माइक ऑन करो.
Option 3.
Switch your mic. Yes, yes, once again. Which option is correct?
Juman Sek and Olgu Chaudhary.
Yes, very good. Juman Sek and Olgu Chaudhary were great friends, best friends or old friends, right? Juman Sek. So the option C is the correct one. Juman Sek and Olgu Chaudhary were great friends. Okay, then come to second number question. Who had an old aunt? Option A, Olgu Chaudhary, B, Juman Sek, C, Premchand and D, Samju Sahu. Who had an old aunt? Yes, high school, Sundargarh.
Juman Sek.
Very good. Juman Sek had an old aunt. Very good. Sit down. Next question, question number 3. Juman persuaded aunt to transfer her days to his name. Options are gold ornament, small house, bank account, small piece of property. Which is the correct one? Yes? Switch on your mic.
Piece of property.
Small piece of property. Anyaman को भी chance दिया. Yes, the answer is correct. But Anyaman को भी chance दिया. Okay. Small piece of property is the correct one. Question number 4. Juman's aunt complained him against Kariman and requested him dash. Options are to give back the property, to give some money, to give some food and to build a house for her. Which is the correct one? Question number 4. Option A, to give back. Option A, to give back the property. Juman's aunt complained him against Kariman and requested him to death. To give back the property is the correct one or something else? आटिके भाभी देखा कौन है परिबा? To give back the property, to give some money, to give some food, to build a house for her. Which is the correct one? Yes?
Give some money. Option B.
To give some money, option B is the correct one. Very good. To give some money or monthly allowances. Okay, very good. Sit down. Next, let's see question number 5. Sean, you also should come to my panchayat for a short while. Who is addressed as Sean in this statement? Options are Olgu Chaudhary, Juman Sek, C. Samju Sahu and D. Kariman. Yes, high school? Olgu Chaudhary is addressed as Sean here. Yes, very nice. The answer is Olgu Chaudhary. Okay, sit down. Then let's see question number 6. Juman's aunt was treated harshly dash. Okay. Options are when she refused to transfer her property to Juman's name. Option B, when she grew infirm and feeble. C, when she asked Juman to give her some money to leave her own. And option D, after she had transferred her property to Juman's name. Which is the correct one? Who can answer? Yes, PSI school? C. Okay, C means C. When she asked Juman to give her some money to leave her own. Yes, this is the correct answer. Option number C. C is the correct one. Okay. Okay, question number 7. Just a minute. Juman's aunt was treated harshly when she asked Juman. No. Is it she? When she asked Juman to give her some money to leave her own. When she was treated harshly, तांको केते बेले से माने खराब व्यवहार देखेबा आरंभ कले. Yes. After getting the property, right? Property पाई सारला परे करीमान और जुमन कौन कले ना तांको भलो व्यवहार देखेले नहीं. So option D is the correct one. After she had transferred her property to Juman's name. Okay. Option D is the correct one. जेते बेले आंटी निजो property transfer करी देले, after that Kariman and Juman treated her harshly. Okay. तापरे से जेते बेले खराब व्यवहार देखेले तापरे आंटी मंथली अलाउंसेस पे जुमन को कहिथिले. Right? Okay. Question number 7. So here option D is the correct one. Question number 7. Who proposed the name of Olgu Chaudhary as the chief judge? Who proposed? The options are the aunt, the elders of the panchayat, C. Juman Sheikh, and D. all the villagers. Who proposed the name of Olgu as the chief judge? Yes?
Option A, the aunt.
The aunt. Yes, very good. The old aunt proposed the name of Olgu as the chief judge. Very good. Okay. So now, next question number 8. The aunt said to Olgu Chaudhary that nobody can sell his days for friendship. Options are honesty, B. conscience, C. property, and D is sincerity. Which is the correct one?
Conscience.
Option B. Yes, option B. Conscience is the correct one. Very good. Okay. Question number 9. Although Olgu said that Juman and his aunt are same to him, Juman was confident that he had won because he thought Olgu was only joking. Option B. Olgu's talk was a mere show. Option C. Olgu did not give the judgment against him. And option D. Olgu would change his views later. Which is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Olgu did not give the judgment against him. Is this the correct one? Devkaran Vidyapit. Devkaran.
Olgu didn't give the judgment against him. Option C.
Option C is the correct one. Just recall the story again. Ask reading a story को मने पता.
Option B.
Option B. Yes, option B is the correct one. That Juman's talk. Yes. Olgu's talk was a mere show. Juman, जेतेबेले Olgu कहला जे Juman, you and your aunt are equal to me. दुई जन मो पई समान अट. At that moment, Juman thought that it is a mere show. Olgu खाली देखौछि जे हम पंचायत रे से लोकन को देखौछि जे मु दुई जन को समान भाबुछि ओके जुमन भाबिथिला हां कि नै. So Olgu's talk was a mere show is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 10. The punch is nobody's friend or enemy. Who shared the line? Who is the speaker? Who said the line? Olgu, Juman's aunt, Juman, and villagers. Which one is the correct answer? Devkaran Vidyapita. Yes? Option B, Juman's aunt. Very good. Juman's aunt is the speaker here, or Juman's aunt said that nobody, the puncher is nobody's friend and enemy. Puncher kahari sango kimba satru, bandhu kimba satru nuhanti. Okay. Question number 11. Sean, I cannot go on like this anymore. You should give me some money. Who is addressed as Sean in this statement? So, here, who is addressed as Sean? Options are Olgu Chaudhary, Juman Sheikh, Samju Sahu, and Kariman. Who is addressed here? Sean. Yes.
Sek. Juman Sek. Option B.
Option B, Juman Sek. Yes, very good. It's Juman Sek. Option B. Sean, I cannot go on like this anymore. Juman Sek को कहती वो यही परी आओ सही पारी भी नहीं and you have to give me some monthly allowances. मते तो मासिक किसी खर्च दे दे जद्वारा कि मु मो निजे बंचिबी. Okay, so here Sean is addressed to Juman Sek. Okay. Question number 12. At the first panchayat, Olgu started asking questions dash which were too easy, which were against Juman, which were not difficult, and which Juman found hard to
D.
answer.
Which Juman found hard to answer. D.
Juman found hard to answer. Yes, option D. Okay. Which Juman found hard to answer. जार उत्तर Juman दे पारी नथिला. Okay. Question number 13. The story Villagers was written by dash. Options are Ruskin Bond, B. Anton Chekhov, C. Munshi Premchand, and D. Leo
Munshi Premchand.
Munshi Premchand.
Munshi Premchand.
Yes, very nice. It's Munshi Premchand. Okay. Then come to question number 14. 14. When Juman heard the name of Olgu as chief judge, he was dash. Options are A. Happy, B. Excited, C. Overjoyed, and D. Sad.
Excited.
14C. Overjoyed.
14C. Overjoyed. Yes, it's overjoyed. Although the happy and excited words are similar to overjoyed, but we have to find the exact answer, right? The overjoyed word is used in your text, so we have to find out the exact word. वही रे जो word दिया है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आम ताको प्रिफरेंस देवा देन जदि सेटा मैच ना हुए सिमिलर वर्ड देवा तेणु एठी आंसर हवा overjoyed. Option C, overjoyed is the correct answer. Okay, let's see some more question. Question number 15. Money doesn't grow on tree here. Who is the speaker?
15C. Juman Sek.
Wait. Let's read the question properly. Okay. First of all, read the question properly. Understand the question, then try to answer. Okay. Okay. So, what are the options? The old aunt. Option B, Kariman. And C, Juman Sek. And D, Olgu Chaudhary. Yes. Any other school?
Check.
Nirmala Girls High School.
Juman Sek.
Juman Sek. Yes. Very good. The answer
15C.
is.
Juman Sek.
Juman Sek is the correct answer. Yes, you are right. But first of all, read the question properly. Okay? Then answer. Okay. Question number 16. What was the judgment of Olgu in the panchayat? Options are to pay the old aunt, AUNT, it's aunt, old aunt monthly expenses. B, to return the property to the old aunt. C, to give proper respect to the aunt. And D, none of the above. Which is the correct one? Yes?
16 number B. To return the property to the old aunt.
Return the property to the old aunt.
16B. 16B.
To pay the old aunt monthly expenses.
Yes, exactly. The correct answer is option A. To pay the old aunt monthly expenses. Monthly expenses से सेवा को फास्ट कुहा जाइथिला. जदि से monthly expenses देवा पे राजी न हुए, then the property will return to the old aunt. जदि से न दिए तेबे property को return कर दिया जाइबो. But the exact judgment is first of all, Juman had to pay monthly expenses to the aunt. आंटी को से मासिक को खर्चा देबो. Okay, so correct answer is option A, to pay the old aunt monthly expenses. Okay. Question number 17. Hearing Juman's rude reply that money did not grow on trees there, the aunt dash. Option A, remained silent. B, grew angry. C, could not decide what to do. And option D, claimed her property. Which is the right answer?
Grew angry.
Grew angry. Yes, grew angry is the right answer. When Juman didn't agree to give monthly expenses, the aunt grew angry first of all. Then after that, he threatened to call a panchayat. Okay. Then let's see some more question. Question number 18. I shall cook and eat separately. Here I refers to whom? Options are Premchand. Option B, Zuman Sheikh. Option C, Olgu Chaudhary. And option D, the old aunt.
The old aunt. The old aunt.
The old aunt. I shall cook and eat separately. Here I refers to the old aunt. I refers to the old aunt. Auntie ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଝଗଡ଼ା ହେଇଛି କରିମାନ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସେ ଆଉ ସହି ପାରି ନାହାନ୍ତି. Then thereafter she said to Zuman that you should give me monthly allowances. So I shall cook and eat separately. ମୁଁ ମୋ ନିଜେ ରାନ୍ଧିବି ଖାଇବି ତେଣୁ ତୁ ମୋତେ monthly expenses ଦେଇଦେବୁ. Okay. Then question number 19. After the transfer of the property, Zuman and Kariman were very, it's not every, it's very days to aunt. Options are harsh and rude, B, kind and loving, C, kind and caring, and D, kind and cooperative. Kishan Panchayat High School.
A. Harris and rude.
Harsh. Okay, harsh and rude. Option A is the correct answer. It's harsh, H-A-R-S-H, harsh and rude. Okay. Question number 20. Why did the old aunt get angry? Why did the old aunt get angry? Options are because Zuman refused to pay the money. Option B, because Zuman threatened to call a panchayat. Option C, because Zuman treated her badly. And option D, none of the above. Which is the correct answer? Kisan Panchayat, Kisan Panchayat High School.
Because Zuman treated her badly.
Because Zuman.
Option A.
Option A.
Option A.
Option A. What is the sentence? Read the sentence.
Because
Option
Zuman
A.
refused to pay the money.
Because Zuman refused to pay
Because
the
Zuman
money.
refused to pay the money.
Yes, option A is the correct one. Because Zuman refused to pay the money or pay the monthly expenses or allowances. मासिक खर्च देवा ପାଇଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ Zuman ରାଜି ହେଲା ନାହିଁ, then the aunt grew angry, get angry. Right? So dear children, these are some questions and you will find such types of questions in your examination, in your essay 2 examination. So try to solve more and more questions of such types. Okay, you will find such types of questions. So try to solve more and more MCQs with the help of your teachers, and we will try to solve part 3 and part 4 MCQs. MCQs of part 3 and part 4 in our next class. And till then, thank you and have a good day.